right, we are going to start off a new chapter today. This chapter is all about cash purchases. We're going to start a new equation sheet with the new chapter. So, chapter 6 equation sheet starts today. Please make sure you mark these down. The equation for today's lesson, which is 6-1 on sales tax, says sales tax equals total selling price times my sales tax rate. On the previous slide, you should have seen one vocab word for this lesson, and that is sales tax. Sales tax is a state or local tax on the selling price of an item or service you purchase, usually expressed as a percent. Move this off to the side. Today's example for lesson 6-1 says, Harley Watson bought a cell phone for $199.95 and a phone case for $19.95. What is the total sales tax if Harley lives in Austin, Texas, where the state tax is 6.25% and the combined local city and county tax is 2%? Well, we need to find our total selling price and we need to multiply it by the sales tax rate. So there are two items we bought. In order to find my total selling price, we're going to do $199.95, the phone, plus the case, which is $19.95. So we're going to do $199.95 plus $19.95 for a total selling price of $219.90. Next, I need to find my sales tax rate. Well, we have a state tax rate of 6.25%. We have local, city, and county tax, which is 2%. I'm actually going to add those together to get a grand sales tax rate of 8.25%. So, in order to find our sales tax, we're going to take our selling price, which is this $219.90, and we are going to multiply it by our 8.25%. So I'm going to take $219.90. We're going to multiply it by 8.25 divided by 100. Gives me $18.14 is my sales tax. Keep in mind that as you do these, make sure your answers seem reasonable. Obviously, if I'm buying $200 worth of items and I'm paying about 8%, I wouldn't expect this number to be like 180. Okay, that means my decimal is obviously in the wrong place. Because the one error you might have had here was you might have forgotten to do this division of 100. And if you would have done that, or we're not paying $1,800 on $219 worth of items. Definitely is not going to be my sales tax there. So just make sure that your answers seem logical. There are two try on your owns for this section. Go ahead and take about 7 minutes, pause your videos, and work through Try on Your Own 1 and 2. As you can see, the answers to questions 1 and 2 for Try on Your Own have now been provided. Please go ahead and take a moment to check your answers. If you have any questions with these, and for some reason you did not get the right answer, please come see me. On the next slide, you're going to see a fill in the blank to go along with today's lesson in that one vocabulary word for this lesson, which was sales tax. Go ahead and take a moment to answer that. Don't forget to mark this presentation as done, and then move on to lesson 6.2. Good luck.